Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Fish Ambot Tik, a classic Goan fish curry that's famous for its bold, spicy, tangy flavors and rich red masala. If you want to experience the true taste of Goan cuisine, this traditional recipe is one you'll definitely want to try. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Fish Ambot Tik. Fish Ambot Tik is one of Goa's iconic curries, traditionally prepared with fresh fish, Kashmiri red chillies, tamarind, aromatic spices that create the perfect balance of heat, tanginess, and rich flavor. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Fish Ambot Tik. Step 1. Cleaning the baby shark fish or Mori. We have taken around 400 grams of baby shark fish, also called Mori. To clean the baby shark, use a sharp knife and carefully start to remove the outer skin.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Cut off the head and the fins. This is the liver. Save it to use later. You can fry it separately. Remove the waste from the stomach area. Cut off the fins. Carefully remove or pull out the rough outer skin from both sides of the fish. Cut off the tail of the fish. Wash and clean the fish nicely. Cut the fish into medium-sized pieces. After cleaning the fish, it weighed around 250 grams. Place the fish pieces in a bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Cover and keep it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Marinated fish is ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. For grinding, take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Let it soak in half cup or 125 ml of warm water. Take 6 Kashmiri red chillies. If you want it spicy, then you can add 2 extra Kashmiri chilies or 2 Bedki red chilies. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 5 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Half-inch piece of ginger. 10 black peppercorns. Half-inch stick of cinnamon. 4 cloves. Break the Kashmiri red chilies into smaller pieces and discard the fallen seeds. Cut the ginger garlic into smaller pieces. For cooking, take 1 medium-sized onion. Cut it fine. 1 medium-sized tomato. Cut it fine. 1 medium-sized green chili. Cut it into 2 and then slit them. 3 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Lightly crush them. Half teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the Ambot Tik curry paste. In a mixer grinder, add the Kashmiri red chili pieces. Also add the garlic pieces, black peppercorns, turmeric or haldi powder, cloves, cinnamon stick pieces, cumin or jeera seeds, ginger pieces. After soaking for around 15 minutes, squeeze the pulp to get the tamarind water. Add the tamarind water. Add quarter cup or 60 ml of extra water. Grind to a fine paste. Add the ground paste in a bowl. Curry paste is ready. Step 4. Preparing the Fish Ambot Tik curry. On medium heat, in a wide open thick bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onion. Cook the onions until they become slightly light brown in color. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Once the onions turn slightly light brown, add the finely cut tomato. Stir everything properly. Add the slit green chilli and stir. Add quarter cup or 60 ml of water to soften the tomato faster. Onion and tomato have to be fully mashed before adding the curry paste or the curry will be coarse. Once the tomato is fully mashed, add the crushed garlic. Stir everything nicely. After a minute, add the curry paste. Cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After around 3-4 minutes, use half cup or 125 ml of water to remove the paste left in the mixer and add. Curry should neither be too thick nor too thin. We added another 3/4 cup or 185 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Cover the pan and cook for around 6 to 8 minutes, bringing the curry to a nice boil. After 6 to 8 minutes, when the curry is boiling, add the marinated fish. Stir gently. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Add half teaspoon of sugar. Cover the pan and cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. This will depend on the type of Mori or the size of the baby shark you are using. Baby shark or Mori generally takes between 8 to 10 minutes to cook, but overcooking can make it tough. Check the taste and add salt or sourness if required. Vinegar or kokum can also be used for sourness. Once the fish is cooked, put the heat off. Delicious baby shark fish ambot tik is ready. Enjoy this fish ambot tik hot with rice, chapati, roti or bread. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.